In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create albums and share links, or groups, in Amazon Photos, using desktop, web. We'll start right in your browser. Open Amazon Photos on the web and sign in with your Amazon account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top toolbar for the Add button. It usually looks like a plus icon. Click that, then choose Create Album. You'll see your photo library appear, and this is where you pick what belongs in the album. Click to select the images you want. You can select as many as you like, and it's fine to mix photos and videos. When you're ready, click Create or Save. You'll be prompted to name your album. Pick something clear and memorable, like a date range, an event, or a location. Don't worry, album names can be changed later, and you can add or remove photos anytime, so you're not locked in. After saving, your new album will show up in your Albums area, ready to browse, edit, or share. Now let's talk about sharing. Amazon Photos doesn't use a traditional public album link like some other services. Instead, it relies on sharing through links and groups. To share from the web dashboard, click the small checkmark that appears in the upper left corner of each photo you want to share. This puts the items into a selection. You can do this from your main library or from inside an album if you want to share specific items from that album. Once you've selected your photos, look at the top for the Share button and click it. From the options, choose Get Link. Amazon Photos will generate a shareable link that you can copy. Paste that link into an email, a text message, or your favorite messaging app so others can view the photos. A few helpful tips as you share. The link is designed for easy viewing, and recipients don't need special software, just a web browser. Depending on settings and Amazon's current policies, viewers might be asked to sign in to an Amazon account to interact beyond viewing, but basic viewing through the link is typically straightforward. If you're sharing an event or a set you may update later, consider creating a clearly named album first, so it's easier to organize and keep track of what you've shared. And remember, only share links with people you trust, since anyone with the link can view the items you included. That's it. Create your album, select the photos you want to share, click Share, choose Get Link, and send it out. You're all set to organize your memories and share them securely from your desktop.